Welcome back, guys. Today, I'll show you how an ethical hacker scans an APK file for viruses or backdoors. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for my GitHub profile. Okay, now click on the Repositories tab, and then select the Ghost APK Scanner tool. Scroll downward. You'll find a consolidated command set ready for you. Copy them directly for seamless execution. Then, open your root terminal, activate your Python environment to install the pip packages, and navigate to the root directory. It's easier that way. Then paste the commands here. The tool has installed and launched successfully. Now, drop the APK file here and press enter. It's scanning the APK for viruses, backdoors, malware, and spyware. I'll speed this up. As you can see, it's found suspicious permissions. Let's wait for more results. Detected multiple infected strings and flagged virus patterns. A detailed report has been generated in your tool directory. Simply go and check your tool directory. There's the report file. You can see all detected viruses and suspicious activity. Now, let's try the other one. Simply drag and drop your APK file into the tool and hit enter to begin scanning. Okay, there's no suspicious activity. This is a clean APK file. I hope you like the tool and video. Support me for more.